Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI CKMB CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI CKMB CLIA. Chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. This kit is used to analyze the CKMB levels in human blood or serum, plasma. Here we can see the reference number of this kit 1302560001M, then lot number, then expiry date also. Here we can see one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain a temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this kit. This is C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. The origin of the product is China. This kit is coming from China. Over here we can see the manufacturing details. This is overall front view of this product. Now we are going to see the another angles. On the side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI CKMB, reference number 13025001M. This is overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking this, the first product is instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, the product name MAGLUMI CKMB CLIA, C certificate IVD product, reference number of this kit 1302560001M, 100 tests per kit. In this kit we can see inventive summary, test principle, reagent, ABI label, warnings and precautions, a lot of stuff in this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. The next one is a reagent seal, 3 nozzles. Over here we can see the product name CKMB. The next one is the QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. The next one is control stickers. Here we can see the first 4 nozzles is for control 1, CKMB control 1, 4 nozzles. The second 4 one is control 2, CKMB control 2. Total of 8 stickers. The first 4 is control 1, second 4 is control 2. And the next one is control solutions packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking we can see clearly CKMB control 1 and CKMB control 2. I am taking this one. Here we can see MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml CKMB control 1. This white color cap is control 1, volume of 1 ml CKMB control 1. And the next one is CKMB control 2, MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml CKMB control 2. This red color cap is control 2. You can see the both control 1 and control 2. And finally the next one is reagent solution. Here we can see MAGLUMI CKMB CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label. On the back we can see clearly the solutions. These are the solutions. So here we go for summary. Today we can see Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI CKMB. This kit contains one instruction manual, a reagent seal, a control stickers, a QC certificate, a control solutions, control 1, control 2, both are volume of 1 ml. A reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml AB label. Thank you.